BTC Markets Crypto Exchange Review. My usage. BTC Markets Crypto Exchange Review. My usage experience. If you're considering BTC Markets, you're likely interested in a reliable platform for trading cryptocurrencies. Let me share my experience after extensively using this Australian-based exchange. First, BTC Markets is tailored for both beginner and experienced traders, offering a straightforward interface with essential features like real-time trading charts, advanced trading tools, and a variety of supported cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. The platform prioritizes security, utilizing two-factor authentication, 2FA, encrypted cold storage for most funds, and stringent ID verification to ensure compliance with regulations. A standout feature is its support for odd deposits and withdrawals, making it ideal for Australian users who want seamless fiat to crypto transactions without hidden fees. You can fund your account via PayID, BPay, or OSCO, all of which are fast and efficient. For traders, BTC Markets provides competitive fees on a sliding scale, meaning the more you trade, the lower the fees. This setup particularly benefits high-volume traders. The trading experience itself is smooth. The platform offers both basic buy-sell functionality and advanced order types like stop-loss and limit orders, which are essential for market-savvy users. Their trading dashboard is intuitive, with clear market insights and tools that enable quick decision-making. I also appreciated the liquidity on major trading pairs, ensuring my trades executed without significant slippage. Customer support is robust. While they don't offer live chat, their email support team is responsive, typically resolving queries within 24 hours. The Help Center is also well-stocked with guides and FAQs, which I found helpful when learning the ropes. For mobile users, BTC Markets has a clean, responsive website, though they lack a dedicated app, which might be a drawback for traders who prefer app-based functionality. BTC Markets truly shines in regulatory compliance. As a registered Australian entity, it adheres to strict AML/CTF laws, which gives users peace of mind about the platform's legitimacy. However, it's important to note that the exchange doesn't support credit or debit card payments, so you'll need to rely on bank transfers for fiat funding. In conclusion, BTC Markets is a solid choice for Australian traders looking for a secure, user-friendly platform with competitive fees and a focus on ID integration. While it may lack some features like a mobile app or global payment options, it excels in delivering a reliable and straightforward trading experience. If you're based in Australia and prioritize security, transparency, and local fiat options, BTC Markets is worth considering.